I never saw
This
him.
is a Hallomeme. This is everyone's favorite type of Hallomeme. I'm in the kitchen where I belong. Femoid in the kitchen. I already made the cookies. I've already made the icing. We're using royal icing. If you want to know my cookie recipe or my royal icing recipe, I want to do a baking series called Wake and Bake. This one like wake and wake. And it'd be so funny and good. But if you want to know, let me know in the comments. Couplers. These are little things that you can put inside piping bags, which you'll also need. Okay, that's like a lot. I forget. It'll be a twist. Don't follow me on Pinterest. Let's just. These are food coloring wheels. I got these ones at Walmart, and then I have also ones from Wilton, because I'm a professional and I need Wilton. Like this one is from Wilton, and the ones in the tubes are from Walmart. Black cat yellow eyes, black cat green eyes. That's orange. This is orange. You cut the piping tip, you put the bottom part in there, you take the piping bag, piping tip, put that, and twist it on. And you put the stuff in there. I'm using a small one so that I can do the outline. Or do time lapse.